Chef 5 Mins. This recipe is essentially a Spanish estofado de ternera, beef stew, that's been given a cozy, rainy day upgrade with dumplings. While traditional Spanish stews usually rely on bread for dipping, adding dumplings creates a thick, hearty meal that feels like a warm hug from a Mediterranean grandmother. The secret here is the pimenton, smoked Spanish paprika. It provides a depth of flavor that regular paprika just can't touch. The ingredients category items: the meat 2 lbs beef chuck, cubed, salt, pepper, flour for dredging, olive oil. The base 1 large onion, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 2 carrots, sliced, 1 red bell pepper. The flavor 2 TBSP pimenton de la vera, sweet or bittersweet, 1 bay leaf, 1 cup dry red wine. The bulk of 1 lb Yukon Gold potatoes, peeled and cubed, 3 cups beef stock, 1 cup tomato puree. The dumplings 1/2 cups flour, 1/2 TSP baking powder, 1/2 TSP salt, 2 TBSP chopped parsley, 3/4 cup milk, 2 TBSP melted butter. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Sear the beef season the beef cubes with salt and pepper, then toss them lightly in flour. In a heavy pot, like a Dutch oven, heat olive oil over medium-high heat. Brown the beef in batches until it has a nice crust. Remove and set aside. Don't scrub the pot. That brown stuff on the bottom is liquid gold. 2. Sauté the aromatics, lower the heat to medium. Add the onion, carrots, and bell pepper. Cook until softened, about 6 to 8 minutes. Stir in the garlic and the pimenton. Cook for just 1 minute. Be careful not to burn the paprika, as it can turn bitter. 3. The simmer deglaze the pot with the red wine, scraping up the bits from the bottom. Add the beef back in, along with the beef stock, tomato puree, and bay leaf. Bring to a boil, then reduce to a low simmer. Cover and cook for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. 4. Add potatoes. Drop in your cubed potatoes. Continue to simmer, covered, for another 20 minutes. 5. Drop the dumplings. While the potatoes are cooking, whisk the dry dumpling ingredients together. Stir in the milk, butter, and parsley until just combined. Don't overwork it, or they'll be tough. Use a spoon to drop golf ball-sized dollops of dough onto the surface of the stew. Cover the pot tightly and simmer for 15-20 minutes. No peeking. The steam is what makes them fluffy. Pro tips for success. The potato trick. When cutting your potatoes, try cracking them. Cut halfway through the potato and then twist the knife to snap the rest off. This creates rough edges that release starch, naturally thickening the stew. The wine. Use something you'd actually drink. A Rioja or a Tempranillo works perfectly to keep the Spanish theme alive. Dumpling texture. If the dumplings look wet on top, they aren't done. They should look matte and feel firm to a light touch. Settings. Add any subtitle.